Hey kiddos, this is Miss Espinoza, and today I'm going to tell you about writing your bill. So we've been talking about the legislative branch, and now we're going to practice. I think that you've already chosen an issue, and now you're beginning to write or to start your research. So I have included this form here that you're looking at on the screen, and this is what I've been using for years to help kids organize their thoughts about getting all of their information into a bill. Remember, researching your bill is to solve the problem, not just identify the problem. So the questions on this form are all about how is this going to help you solve your problem? How is this going to help you determine what you want in your bill? Okay. Every member of your team, which you may have 2, 3, or 4 people on your research team, needs to have 3 individual sources of information for each solution or each bill that you're writing. You're looking for agencies. You're looking for think tanks or other groups that can help you formulate your answer. I gotta tell you, whatever problem there is in the world, there is a think tank out there that has already thought about it and has already been lobbying the government to solve that problem. You might also want to consider the opposite side when you're doing your research, like what the critics are going to say, just so that you answer it or you provide some kind of solution in there. All right, let's go over the form a little bit. So the title of the article, I also put it into, for my class, I've also put it into class notes for you, and I've put a place for you to save your link. Pretty much everyone in this group is probably going to have a digital copy, so you all could be able to save your link as well. So what you're doing for every single article, what did I learn from this article? What ideas does this article give me? What do you now believe should be in your legislation? And that is it. That's basically all of it. I am not going to go nitpick your research, but I am going to tell you you want to be at an agency that has already thought of policy. There you go. Title of the article number 2. Moving on down the road, title of the article number 3. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I have included a place for you to make a list of all the things that you think that should be in your bill to solve your problem. And that's a list of 10 things. I don't think this is a difficult task. If you're starting on your research and you're finding that you don't like the information that you're getting or it doesn't seem to pertain to what you want to do, you might need to change what you're searching for. So remember that in your research. All right, I think this is easy. I think you're on your own for the next 2 days doing your research. Thanks.